Hello, everyone. Welcome to Green Plate, the ultimate destination for all things vegan and vegetarian. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the wonderful world of vegan cooking tips. Whether you're a seasoned plant-based enthusiast or simply curious about incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet, you've come to the right place. I'm here to guide you through some handy tips and tricks that will make your vegan cooking journey a breeze. Before we jump into the kitchen, let's quickly talk about the benefits of veganism and vegetarianism. By adopting a vegan or vegetarian lifestyle, you're not only making a positive impact on your health but also on the environment and animal welfare. It's a win-win-win situation. Now, let's get started with some helpful tips that will elevate your vegan cooking game. Tip number 1, stock your pantry with essentials. Having a well-stocked pantry is key to creating delicious and nutritious vegan meals. Make sure to always have a variety of grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat pasta. Don't forget about legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. They're not only excellent sources of protein but also incredibly versatile. Tip number 2, embrace the power of vegetables. Vegetables are the stars of any vegan dish, so it's essential to explore different varieties and experiment with flavors. Get creative with your cooking techniques: roast, sauté, stir-fry, or even grill, and remember, the more colorful your plate, the more nutrients you're getting. Tip number 3, master your seasonings. Spices and herbs are your best friends when it comes to adding depth and flavor to your vegan dishes. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations. Whether it's cumin, turmeric, paprika, or fresh herbs like basil and cilantro, they can take your meals from ordinary to extraordinary. Tip number 4, presentation matters. We eat with our eyes first, so take the time to make your meals visually appealing. Garnish with fresh herbs, sprinkle some toasted nuts or seeds, or add a pop of color with edible flowers. Remember, a beautifully presented dish is not only inviting but also enhances the overall dining experience. Tip number 5, don't be afraid to make mistakes and have fun. Vegan cooking is all about exploring new ingredients, trying new recipes, and finding what works best for you. Don't worry if a dish doesn't turn out exactly as planned. It's all part of the learning process. Enjoy the journey and embrace the joy of cooking. And that wraps up our first episode of Green Plate. I hope you found these vegan cooking tips helpful and inspiring. Stay tuned for more exciting videos where we'll dive deeper into the world of veganism and vegetarianism, featuring delicious recipes, product reviews, and interviews with experts in the field. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep it green and keep enjoying the power of plant-based cooking. See you soon.